Okay, tikuda kuita irrational numbers. So we have what are called rational numbers, and we also have what are called irrational numbers. So I was saying that we have rational numbers and irrational numbers. But tikatarisa the word rational and
Got it.
kana chinhu chichinzi chiri rational, what does it
Yeah.
mean? Saka chinhu chiri rational chinhu chinoita chinhu chiri in layman terms reasonable. Okay, so tatima rational numbers in layman terms, these are everyday occurring numbers. Saka manumbers atanga chidhila nawo pamatopics ese atakaita ndo anonzi rational numbers. Handitika? In layman terms, irrational numbers,
Yeah.
tingati never ending numbers. And you are going to appreciate why that never ending numbers. So this is a brief summary of what rational
Okay.
numbers are and irrational numbers are. Of course, looking at the two words, rational and irrational, we can conclude that these words are antonyms. Since I'm looking at English, let me write it down. They are antonyms. An antonym is an opposite. Saka kana tichiti words are antonyms, tiri words are polar opposites. They are opposite to each other. Said.
Got it.
And that's a rough example.
Mm.
So we have antonyms. We also have what are called synonyms. Ama words are similar to each other. So rational and irrational, they are antonyms. They are direct opposites. Saka rational numbers, in layman terms, marketplace language, everyday occurring numbers. Numbers atoshanda nawo are normally, and then irrational numbers, never ending numbers, being in itself an opposite of rational numbers. But let us look at what the book has to say. So this is page 178, NGM Book 3, Irrational Numbers, chapter 20. Rational and irrational numbers. Numbers such as 8, 4.5, 1/8, 0.211, the square root of 49/16, 0.3 recurring can be expressed as exact fractions or ratios like that. Such numbers are called rational numbers. So atinoti layman definitions. Definitions atinoshandisa ari simple kuitira kuti understand the concept. Saka kuti kuri kuti maths dzaibvunza definition, you cannot say a rational number is an everyday occurring number. It's a vague and open definition. The actual characteristics of rational numbers. So maybe let us write it like this. So tonotarisa characteristics of rational numbers are number 1. So rational numbers can be expressed as exact fractions. So tikapiwa, for example, let us deal with numbers atapiwa hapo. So let us deal with an example. Tapiwa an example of rational numbers. Tapiwa 8, tikapiwa 4.5, tikapiwa 1/5, tikapiwa 0.211, tikapiwa the square root of 49/16. Ndiri. Then yekupedzisira iyo, let us leave it there. Pamusana pekuti iri wrong. But I don't want to. All right, let me write it and I'll show you why ndichiti iri wrong. So ndo numbers atapiwa. Tiri kuti the characteristic of rational numbers is that they can be converted, expressed as exact fractions. What it means, by contrast, zvinoreva kuti irrational numbers cannot be expressed as exact fractions. Saka our task now is to express those 6 numbers as exact fractions to prove the point. Saka kana tichida kuexpressa 8 as an exact fraction inenge iri 8 over 1. Are we together there?
Yes.
Yeah, like we said, whole numbers can be expressed as fractions by just saying over 1. It's as simple as that. What about 4.5? How can we express it as an exact fraction?
It's already a fraction.
No, it's a mixed number. It's not a fraction. It should be a fraction, an improper fraction. Remember the anatomy of a fraction: numerator of a denominator, dividend of a divisor. Saka, it's
Okay.
not. What is 4.5 as a fraction? How can we convert this to a fraction?
9/2.
9/2. From 4 times 2 is 8 plus 1, 9. So 9/2, correct? What about 1/5? 1/5 as a fraction?
Now that one is a fraction.
It's already a fraction, correct? What about 0.211? What is it?
That one I don't know. That one I don't know.
Okay, it's fine.
Let me
Actually, you
try.
know, you just have to revise one of our earliest topics: units, tens, 100 heads, 1,000 heads. Kureva kuti panapa it's just 211 over. After decimal place, pane places mangani 3, so it's 1,000. We are together now.
Okay.
Maona zvaitika apa.
Yeah.
All right. This one is a special case.
Yeah, that's one.
So listen carefully here. It's a special case. It's actually based on this topic. There is a law inotaura iyo ichiti if we have the square root of a over b, this is equal to the square root of a over the square root of b. And the square root of a fraction is equal to the square root of the numerator dividing the square root of the denominator. Or we can say the square root of the dividend dividing the square root of the divisor. This law yanzwisisiwa here.
Yeah. Yambo trick.
Okay, I was explaining this law. Murikuona here mutemo
And
inoti
got the definition.
we can break, and if we have the square root of a fraction, we can break it up. Yova iyo square root of a over the square root of b, the square root of the dividend over square root of divisor, or square root of the numerator over the square root of the denominator. It's a law. Is the law understandable? Saka ngatiapply tione kuti mainzwisisa here. Izvi zvinoreva kuti the square root of 49 over 16 iri equal to the square root of 49 over the square root of 16. Are we together there?
Yeah.
Thank you. What is the square root of 49? In a number we multiply by itself to get 49. Then
number we multiply by itself to get 49.
Yeah. For example, the square root of 2 or 4 is 2.
7.
Because it's not 2 times 2 to 24. Saka ndiyana. Masevedzera answer ingaona. It's 7. 7 times 7, 49. For square root ya 16.
8.
8
Wait.
times 8. 8 times 8 the 64. Try again. What is the square root of 16? A number we multiply by itself with it 116. So mangoita pamusoro kuti mati 7 times 7 is 49. Saka 8 times 8 cannot be 16. It's 64. That is Ame. Ko 6. 6 times 6 ndiani? 6 times 6?
6, 36.
Saka ndiyo here. Haizi kai. Ko 5.
36.
Ko 5 times 5?
Is 5 times 25.
Ko 4.
If
Saka answer ndi 7/4. But before we go anywhere, strictly speaking, answer is 7/4. Strictly speaking. Strictly speaking, answer ndi plus or minus 7/4. And tichaziita, but let me just give you a briefer. Why ndadaro? Zviri kuitika pano ndezvekuti kana tiina 2 for example, tikati 2 times 2 tinowanani 400.
Unaona 4.
Ko tikati minus 2 times minus
Yeah.
2 tinowanani minus 2 times minus 2.
Unaona minus 4.
Remember, kana tichimultiply mapositives
No, tunaona 4.
tinowana 4. Saka iyi ndiyo reason why the square root of 4 iri equal
Yes,
to
4.
plus or minus 2. Because tikamultiplya plus 2 times plus 2 tinowana plus 4. Tikamultiplya minus 2 times minus 2 tinowana futi plus 4. So handizi yangu kana zvaonekwa kuti timake tichiti in most cases square roots of numbers are equal to plus or minus. Zvaonekwa.
Right.
Iyi bhuku ratinyepera.
Yeah.
Bhuku ratinyepera because answer irimo i1/3 but in truth answer iri papa ndi 3/10.
Okay.
3/10. I think it's obvious because iri kutoredzera panapa. But bhuku ranga rainyora ina recurring. Saka let us give them the benefit of the doubt. So here manje zvakunzi such numbers are called rational numbers. Saka aya manamba ese ari pamusoro aya anonzi ma-rational numbers. Nomusana pekuti tinokwanisa kumaconverta kava ma-exact fractions. And I want you to highlight
Fractions.
this word exact. And an exact fraction is the fraction of the form A/B. Zvataita panapa. So let us continue. Numbers which cannot be written as exact fractions are called irrational numbers. So we cannot express irrational numbers as exact fractions. Example of irrational number. Mune calculator iri padhuze?
Yeah.
Dot mutsvagirewo the square root of 7. Pe mhundu dzayanza inobuda.
Pari kubuda 2.64575131.
Alright. Answer yamapiwa necalculator yenyu. Answer iri limited to 9 decimal places. But dei manga muine a slightly powerful computer kana kuti calculator, maigona kuwana answer in a more than 1,000 decimal places. Saka kana tichidefina contemporarily kana kuti layman definition yedu ye-an irrational number, that it's a never ending number. Saka inhamba yekuti inoramba ichingokondinya kusvika forever, like this one. Answer yamapiwa necalculator zvandiri kuzama kutsanangura yakalimitwa because calculator yaingarambi ichibuditsa mazinhamba. Saka macalculator edu anotipa up to around 9 decimal places, amwe 12 decimal places. Zvira zvireve kuti ndo limit yeanswer. Saka if we are to now consider characteristics of irrational numbers.
Correct.
Our first characteristic of irrational numbers tinge tichitaura kuti these are numbers which cannot be written. Chekutanga, they cannot be written as exact fractions. Chekutanga, we cannot write them as exact fractions. Then chechipiri ndechekuti that these decimals extend without end. Saka kuri kuti munonyora manotsi emats, which I advise, ndozvinhu zvinenge zvinyorwa izvi. Decimals extend endlessly. endlessly without recurring. And it's very important panapa kuti recurring. What does it mean? Kuti without recurring. All right. So ndiri kuda kuti for our practice questions ndiri kuda kuti muite number 1 yese A to Z. So yakati which of the following are rational and which are irrational numbers? So maitiro amunoita ndeyekuti let me just sample with A to C. Saka munongoya pa A moona kuti is it rational or irrational? Kana iri rational munongonyora kuti rational. Then manyora kuti rational ndoda kuti muprove kuti irrational. Munoprova sei? Munoiconverta to a fraction like this. Ngatiti 1j mosvika paj moona kuti yakanzi square root of 17 and you see kuti 17 since isina root kana kuti isina answer, it's actually an irrational number. Saka munongonyora kuti irrational chete. Saka ari rational munomanyora, next to it moisa the fraction to prove that it's rational. Remember, tataura isusu tichiti a key characteristic of rational numbers in a way kuti they can be converted into what? Exact fractions. Saka we need to see the exact fraction. Then are irrational, you just write irrational. Are we together on the instructions for the exercise?
Yes, we are.
Thank you so much.